If you choose to use umbrella, just pop out. Okay, to adjust this, you open this, and then it's quite hard to get it to pop, but it'll move. And then when you get it adjusted where you want it, tighten that handle up, and right here is the umbrella. Stick the umbrella in there. I'll show you in a second. But first, I want to show you how to take this hood on and off. Pull this lever back here, that lever right there. When you pull that lever back, it releases. You turn it clockwise, and you see these ears right there? It has 3 ears on it. And those 3 ears go into right here. There's one of them. And then one down here. And one over here on this side. So this thing goes on and off the same way. Now, of course, you'll line this up with the mount here. So you'll put that on there like this, and when you push in on it, you see the lever going there, that lever, and then just turn it clockwise and it snaps into place. I'll talk a little bit about this cord here, how heavy duty it is. It's approximately, well, it's at least 15 feet. Don't matter, it's long enough. And we'll plug this in here. I already got my plug that in there, and I already got the light hooked up to it. Turn the switch on, and that's the switch right there. And you can see the difference it makes on the background. So I might just run it without the umbrella, because that's my showcase right there, you know. I could run that without the umbrella as far as that goes. This model did not come with a remote, so kind of leaves this channel stuff out of the equation, because I think you have to spend a few more bucks to get that remote. I'm going to turn that down to about, oh boy, I don't know how far I'll turn it down. 10%. That makes it pretty nice. Let's see, I'd like a little bright more, get that a little more higher. But there you go, that's about 88%. Oh boy, you can hear the fan, the slight fan noise. So I'm going to turn that back to, I don't like it that high when I turn it on, because I'm going to turn this thing off. 10% there, and here's the on-off switch. I run that through the hole here. Tighten umbrella up.